Samsung has started rolling out the first software update for its newest foldable phones, the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, beginning in South Korea. This update, which includes the August 2024 security patch, is expected to reach other countries in the coming days. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 update is identified by firmware version F741 NKSU18X7, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 update comes with firmware version F956 NKSU18X7. These are minor updates, primarily aimed at enhancing security with the latest improvements. A recent update from a well-known Samsung leaker hints that the One UI 7.0 beta for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is almost ready, although a specific release date remains uncertain. It's anticipated that the beta could launch in early September, according to Samsung Sur on X. Important for Samsung One UI 7.0 fans. I've received direct information from the Samsung One UI developer team regarding the delay in releasing the One UI 7.0 beta. Here's what they shared. 1. Commitment to quality. The primary reason for the delay is Samsung's increased focus on quality. After facing numerous bugs during the One UI 6.0 beta in 2023, the team is being more cautious this time. They aim to deliver a more stable version from the outset, minimizing the frustration users experience with frequent buggy updates. 2. Rigorous alpha testing. Samsung is conducting multiple levels of alpha testing to identify and resolve issues earlier in the development cycle. This proactive approach is intended to address bugs before they reach the beta phase, resulting in a smoother user experience when the beta is eventually released. 3. Shortened beta testing program. The One UI 7.0 beta testing program is expected to be shorter than last year's, with fewer builds, compared to 7 to 8 beta builds last year. This suggests that Samsung is confident in the software's stability due to the extensive alpha testing. Fewer, but more stable releases. Each beta release will likely be more polished, requiring fewer subsequent updates to address issues. With fewer iterations, user feedback can be more focused, allowing developers to prioritize significant issues over a wide range of minor bugs. 4. Focus on user trust and satisfaction. This new approach highlights Samsung's shift towards enhancing user trust and satisfaction by reducing disruptions caused by software bugs. The goal is to ensure a seamless and positive experience for users when they get their hands on One UI 7.0. 5. Current status. The One UI 7.0 beta build for the Galaxy S24 Ultra is nearly ready, with testing in its final stages. However, the official launch date is still undecided and will be determined by the senior OS team. The One UI 7.0 beta will first launch for the Galaxy S24 series, with market availability expected in 7 regions: China, Germany, India, Poland, South Korea, the UK, and the US. There is still hope that the beta program will eventually expand to other international markets. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Peace out.